Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Heroku, manage apps and deployment step by step clearly. Open your browser and go to Heroku.com. Click the login button at the top right of the page. Enter the email address you used to create your Heroku account. Enter your Heroku password carefully and double-check for typos. Click Login to access the Heroku dashboard. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Your Password and follow the reset email instructions. If your account uses single sign-on, choose the SSO option and complete your organization login. After logging in, confirm you are on the dashboard page. Look at the top navigation and click Apps to view your applications list. Use the search bar to quickly find a specific app by name. Click on an app name to open its App Overview page. In the Overview tab, review the current status and recent activity. Click the Resources tab to see dynos, add-ons, and background workers. Verify your dyno type and make sure your web dyno is enabled if you expect the app to be online. Click the Settings tab to view app information and configuration options. In Settings, click Reveal config vars to manage environment variables securely. Add or edit config vars as needed. Then save changes and note that some apps require a restart. Go to the Deploy tab to manage how your app is deployed. Under Deployment Method, choose GitHub if you want automatic deployments from a repository. Connect your GitHub account when prompted and authorize Heroku access. Search for your repository and click Connect to link it to the app. Select a branch. Then click Deploy Branch to deploy the latest code manually. Enable automatic deploys if you want Heroku to deploy each time you push to the selected branch. If you prefer Heroku Git, choose Heroku Git and follow the CLI commands shown on the page. Install the Heroku CLI from Dev Center. Heroku.com if you plan to deploy from your terminal. In the Activity tab, confirm that a new release was created after deployment. Open the app using the Open App button and verify the new version is running correctly. If something fails, check More and then view logs to troubleshoot errors in real time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.